Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Remember just to hit subscribe if you want to see plenty more videos. Today I wanted to share with you one of my newfound products. So when I was a little girl, I always used to watch my mum putting on her makeup. She spent hours doing it every morning without fail, always had her makeup on. But one thing that she always said and will stick with me forever is that if in doubt, put your lipstick on, put a smile on your face, and you're ready to go out there, fight the world, achieve what you want. And that is just something that's always stuck with me. So when I saw this particular brand had brought out a soft, pinky kind of tone, which is bang on trend for 2018, I was a little bit like, wow, that reminds me of my mum. So this was the Clinique. I'm just going to hold that up to the camera for you. This is the Clinique, it's called Pop Lip Shadow. So I thought that sounded quite fun when I first saw it. But I wanted to see what it was like because Clinique to me reminds me of my mum, so a slightly older generation. So I just wanted to see what it was like. So today I thought, do you know what? Why not? Let's just try it. So when I first opened this up, I was a little bit confused because it comes in two sections. So I'm just going to, again, I'll hold that up for you. So it comes like so. Okay, comes with this part and then this part. So me being me was a little bit confused there. So what I learned was that you have to unscrew this part, so like so, and then the colour is actually here. So what we're going to do is just unscrew that top part, and then that's the bit that it goes in, and then you keep it like that, and there you go. Okay, so I thought that was quite cool. And what this is about, it's like a shadow. So it's meant to be really easy to apply. As I said, this colour is perfect. So the colour that I've got here is Pop Lip Shadow and it's called Blossom Pop. So perfect, it's number 5. I'll just hold that up for you so you can see. There are quite a lot out there of different colours. As I said, for me, again, lipsticks, that kind of thing is something that's essential for me to give me the confidence I have on an everyday life. So whether I'm going on school run or whether I'm going into work or out of an evening, eyeshadows, lipsticks, they're the kind of things that give me the, right, I'm ready, let's go, let's do it. So I wanted to try something new. So this, as I open it up, it's got like sort of a soft, it reminds me of something I'd put on my eyes, not on my lips, so something a little bit different. So let's see what it goes on like. So it's got the colour on there already. So literally, you just roll it on. Now this, to me, would be the perfect thing to keep in your handbag just as an everyday. So you could wear it of an evening or you could wear it quickly flying out the door. If you're in the car and you're like, I need to get something on, then this is the perfect thing to have in your pocket. It's literally instant dry. It is a matte finish, but my lips feel dry. It's not going to smudge. It doesn't feel like it's going to come off. So I think that it would last. And as I said, the colour is beautiful. It feels really smooth, looks great on the lips as well. And as I said, I've already got on my eyes, I've got those soft kind of pink tones going on, which as I said, is bang on trend for 2018. So this product, the Clinique Lip Pop Shadow, is a must-have. I love it. I'm definitely going to be trying some of the new colours out there. So give it a go. Let me know what you think. And remember, just hit subscribe to tune into some more videos by me. See you later.